Guys, you need to increase your lot size, else you will go on broke. Okay, now don't just misunderstand that particular word. See,
You get it?
okay,
If you don't get it, forget about it.
is in two phases. You cannot increase your lot size when you are trading an account that you know you can't let go, that you know that 1 pip or 2 pips may give you blown of account, or like 50% of the account will be. You understand? Increasing your lot size, the person is not telling you to do gamble based on you see the price pushing up, just increase your lot size and load it and let no. Now you need to always increase your lot size that will match your risk to reward ratio and will still be intact. For instance, I have a $10,000 account. My $10,000 account, I am not really and ready to lose more than $500 today Monday. Now, even if I decide to use a standard lot, two standard lots in that particular account, now my stop loss will not be more than $50, because even the one standard lot, that will be around 5 pips. 1 pip will be $10. Now if I use 0.50, now my stop loss will be 10 pips, and I will be risking $10 for that particular trade, $100 for that particular trade, and you know what it means. Now you that is coming to the industry now, you don't have $10,000 in your trading account, you don't have $1,000, you have 1,000. Now you want to do the same thing without actually calculating the amount that you will lose if the market moves against your analysis. Then you don't know what you are doing. So sometimes make sure you settle down, understand the word increase your lot size before you increase it. Now this is how I teach you something here. Now when you have a $10 account, you trade $10 to $1,000. Now what I do, you cannot make $1,000 with your $10 by using 0.01. I keep saying this. We enter multiple trades, but before then, as far as the account is still $10, you use 0.01, right? Now if the account gets to $20 and you decide to be using 0.01, you open 2 trades, which is 0.02, that is not over leveraging. You are still trading that particular zone, you understand? Just like you are trading your $10. By the time it gets to $30 and you decide to be opening 3 trades, you are not over leveraging, you are still trading, because in one particular 0.01 you will still be risking your stop loss, you will still be as if it was if it was $10. For instance, when it was $10, you execute a trade 0.01 and you will put your stop loss maybe $2, you understand? Now for when you will have it $10. Now if you open 2 trades 0.01, because the account has grown to $20, now the stop loss will still be $2, $4 you will be risking. When it gets to $30, the stop loss will now be $6. You know what I mean? You understand that? Now that is not over leveraging, and because you know very well that the more the lot size, the more the profit. But if you increase your lot size, because you've grown the $10 to $20, you now go and be using 0.50. Typically that you just put it maybe 20 pips to your stop loss, on 10 pips your stop loss, the account will blow. It will blow. So the more the account grows, the more you increase your lot size. Guys, know this and know please, because it's going to help you. Try this week. Come back and tell me how much you've been able to gather from the market. Let's go.